Today, we're diving into the captivating world of mechanical keyboards, a realm where precision meets customization. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just getting started, there's something for everyone in this tactile and clicky universe. Before we embark on this journey, make sure to subscribe for more content, and don't forget to explore the video description for links to the fantastic mechanical keyboards we'll be exploring today. Let's unlock the secrets of these mechanical marvels together. Let's start with number 5, Razer ProType Ultra. The Razer ProType Ultra, with its sleek white design and Razer yellow switches, is an excellent choice for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Its sculpted soft-touch keys, hinged feet, and wrist rest ensure comfort. Suitable for a variety of users, it's a versatile keyboard that transitions seamlessly from a professional day setup to gaming excitement at night. Number 4. The Corsair K70, akin to the feature-rich K95 XT, boasts quality construction and a robust set of features. What sets it apart as a true pro keyboard are its cherry key switches, MX Red, MX Blue, and MX Silver options, and tournament switch. The latter safeguards against accidental actions and distractions by disabling custom features, setting a static backlight color, and turning off profiles or switching. Ideal for professional gamers seeking precision, the Corsair K70 is also suitable for casual players. Number 3. Montech Mkey Darkness. The Montech stands out as a budget-friendly gem, proving you don't need to splurge for a quality mechanical keyboard. With hot-swappable keys and per-key RGB lighting, this sleek full-size keyboard is perfect for entry-level users and budget-conscious keyboard enthusiasts alike, providing an affordable gateway to the world of customization. Number 2. ROCCAT Vulcan 2 Max. The ROCCAT is a standout choice for gamers enamored with vibrant RGB lighting. Its visually striking display, extending seamlessly from keys to wrist rest, combines aesthetic appeal with practical functionality. Boasting full-size board functions and enhanced customization through ROCCAT's Easy Shift Plus technology, it achieves a perfect balance. While the keycaps may not suit everyone, the keyboard offers compatibility with third-party alternatives for convenient comfort customization. Ideal for streamers and gamers in search of an illuminated setup with extensive customization, the ROCCAT Vulcan 2 Max effortlessly integrates productivity with striking aesthetics. Number 1. Asus ROG Azoth. The ROG Azoth targets hardcore keyboard enthusiasts with its compact design and hot-swappable key switches. The standout feature is Asus's inclusive starter toolkit, allowing easy key switch customization. Boasting ultra-stable key switches, per-key RGB lighting, and an OLED panel, the Azoth, though pricey, is a top-tier choice for those seeking premium components and an entry point into the keyboard DIY scene. Ideal for enthusiasts prioritizing customization, the ROG Azoth is a worthwhile investment for those aiming for the best in the keyboard market. Let me know in the comments which mechanical keyboard is your pick. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.